Hello everyone. Let's dive into the AOOCOO triple monitor KVM switch. This device is designed for those of us juggling multiple computers and craving a cleaner, more efficient workspace. If you're working from home or just need to manage several systems, this KVM switch might be a game changer. The key feature here is its ability to handle 3 monitors across 3 computers. Keep in mind, your computers need to support 3 displays to take full advantage of this KVM. The AOOCOO switch boasts impressive resolution and refresh rate capabilities, supporting up to 8K at 60 Hz or 4K at 144 Hz. The HDMI part supports 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, and 4K at 60 Hz with backward compatibility. The Displayport part supports 8K at 30 Hz and 4K at 144 Hz, also backward compatible. It's important to use high-quality HDMI 2.1 and DP 1.4 cables, and shorter cables are generally better for optimal performance. Beyond the video capabilities, this KVM switch includes 4 USB 3.0 ports, perfect for connecting your keyboard, mouse, and other USB devices. This eliminates the need to constantly swap peripherals between computers, streamlining your workflow. The AOOCOO KVM switch has a metal construction and compact dimensions, measuring 4.72 by 2.6 by 1.73 inches. It operates on 12 volts and uses a push-button switch type for easy switching between computers. In summary, the AOOCOO triple monitor KVM switch offers a compelling solution for managing multiple computers with multiple displays. Its high resolution and refresh rate support, combined with USB 3.0 connectivity, make it a versatile tool for boosting productivity and decluttering your workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.